Most people think of gold just as shiny jewelry or a tradition passed down from generation to generation. But what if I told you that gold prices actually reveal the hidden story of your financial future, and ignoring them could cost you more than you realize? Here is the truth. Gold has always been more than just a metal. It's a mirror of the economy. When inflation rises, when currencies lose value, or when financial markets start to shake, gold prices quickly rise in the background. It's like a warning signal that most people never notice. Think about it. Your dollar, your pounds, your saving, they are all controlled by the central bank of government printing money. Every time new money is printed, the value of what you already have goes down. But gold doesn't care about politics, borders, or printing machine. It's hold its value across centuries. That's why when people lose faith in paper money, they turn to gold. And this is where most people go wrong. They don't pay attention to gold prices because they are too busy worrying about their paycheck, their bills, or their next purchase they want to make. Meanwhile, the wealthy watch gold like a hawk because they know it signals where the economy is heading. Rising gold prices usually mean uncertainty is coming, whether it's inflation, recession, or global instability. Ask yourself this: why do countries like US, China, massive amount of gold in their reserves? Because even the most powerful government know that when everything else fails, gold should hold its ground. If nations are protecting themselves with gold, shouldn't you be paying attention to? Now, I am not saying you should run out and put every dollar you have into gold. That's another mistake people make, blindly chasing trend. What I am saying is this: you need to understand what gold prices are telling you. If they are rising, it might mean your savings are silently losing value. If they are steady, it could mean stability is still in play. Either way, ignoring gold is like ignoring the fire alarm in your house. By the time you smell the smoke, it's already too late. The bottom line is this: gold prices matter more than you think, not because you should become obsessed with buying gold, but because they teach you how fragile money really is. Paying attention to gold and you will understand the hidden rules of wealth. Ignore it and you might just find yourself wondering where your financial security disappeared. So the next time you see a headline about gold prices rising or falling, don't scroll past it. Ask yourself what's really happened behind the scene and how will it affect the money sitting in your bank account right now.